Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the Nothing Ear 2 buds and I'm going to tell you how you can easily install this app for your iPhone and then how to set up this application with your earbuds. So at first we have to click on the App Store application and open it, and here we have to enter search. In the search bar we have to search for, wait a moment, in the search bar we have to search for the Nothing. Here, as you can see, we have an application called Nothing X from Nothing Technology Limited. Here you'll probably have the Get button, but if you have here this cloud icon, click this cloud icon. If you have Get button, you have to click Get button and then authorize yourself using the Face ID or Apple ID password. Don't worry, this application is completely free and without any additional costs. Here, after downloading our application, you have to tap Open. And here we can allow or don't allow for notifications. I won't allow for notifications, and here we have to tap Get Started. Here we can join improvement program or later. I will tap later. Here we have to allow Bluetooth permission, so let's click on that and click allow here. Now we are scanning the area for our earbuds. So now let me open the case lid and enter pairing mode with our earbuds. Let's continue scanning. Now we have our device found, as you can see. We can click connect. Now pair. And as you can see, that's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.